In this video I will prove you that all stereotypes about Russian people are so not true. Right after I feed my bear. Иду, Миша, иду! Hello, it's Mila from Hack Your Russian, and I'm here to help you learn Russian language easy, fast, and with lots of fun. There are lots of stereotypes about Russian people, and I have made a list of my favorite ones to share with you today. Many of these stereotypes come from Hollywood movies, while others are based on some historical events. Stereotype number 1. Russian people never smile. Русские люди никогда не улыбаются.
Что такое серьезно?
It is my favorite stereotype because every time I get acquainted with somebody who is not from Russia, they tell me, come on, you're Russian, but why are you smiling? It's not usual for Russian people. Okay, I agree. It is somewhat true because if you go to Russia or any other post-Soviet countries, you will see that people don't smile to strangers.
Американцы постоянно улыбаются.
У русских все по-другому. В России живут суровые люди. Для них улыбка – это не просто дань вежливости. Она обязательно что-то означает.
We even have a saying, смех без причины – признак дурачины, which means if you smile for no reason, it means that you are crazy.
И даже если американец улыбается потому, что ему просто хорошо, добрые русские люди найдут объяснение его улыбки.
Бедненький, дурачок, наверное.
So if you see a smiling person in Russia, he is either crazy, rich, or a foreigner. But it doesn't mean that Russian people never smile. We do smile, but we keep our energy for our friends. So if you want to see a smiling Russian, you need to become his friend.
Позвольте рассказать историю о моем друге Иосифе Сталине. Сталин подарил мне его лично.
And you will discover a strange Russian soul. Stereotype number 2. Russian people are rude and cruel. Русские люди грубые и жестокие. What do you want from people who watch this guy every evening before going to sleep?
Здравствуйте, ребята!
Добрый вечер!
And it was a TV show for kids, by the way. Have you noticed that Russian characters are often the bad guys in Hollywood movies?
И русский чемпион выглядит устрашающе. Я тебя сломаю.
Что твой отец сделал с моей семьей 40 лет назад, я сделаю с тобой через 40 минут.
И моя мечта создать ядерного человека исполнится.
Но зачем?
I wonder why John Rowling didn't make Voldemort Russian. It could have explained so many things. But what made me laugh the most is this crazy theory that Russian people had special camps during the Soviet Union where they kept children in order to teach them how to kill.
Россия, 1937.
Handcuffs? Seriously?
Детские кровати?
Это интернат.
Почему на кроватях наручники?
Это же Россия.
Yeah, why are you so surprised? It's Russia. Come on, Russian people are not that villain. Just don't make us angry. Stereotype number 3. All Russians drink vodka. Все русские пьют водку. Come on, you're Russian, you have to drink vodka. No, I am Russian, but I don't drink vodka. Believe me or not, I have tried vodka once, and it was the worst experience in my life. And there are lots of Russians who don't drink vodka. Putin, for example.
Вы хотите, чтобы во время таких вот крупных спортивных мероприятий мы агитировали людей водку трескать?
Почему трескать? Это же реклама, в том числе и нашей национальной гордости.
Какая гордость?
Это же часть культуры.
Это не культура, это в лучшем случае субкультура. Да.
So please stop thinking that all Russian people drink vodka all the time.
Джефферсон, погодите, вам нет 21.
Ну,
В 86-м в России можно пить с 12 лет.
Seriously, from the age of 12, just for information, in 1986 there was a special anti-alcohol campaign in Russia, also known as a dry law.
Спиртное продается только с 2 дня в специализированных отделах и особых местах. Например, в Москве из 1500 винных магазинов закрывают 1000. По всей стране в очередях толпы людей. Перед праздниками битвы не обходится без жертв.
Stereotype number 4. Russian people love cold. Русские люди любят мороз. Come on, you're Russian, you cannot be cold. Yes, I am Russian, but I feel cold anyway, I'm not an X-Man. There are some Russian people who dive into the ice water during winters, and we call them маржи.
Купание в святой проруби. На Руси! Гоу! Лед, смотри. Ты был в проруби, нет? Вперед!
But it doesn't mean that every Russian can do it. So don't even try to ask me to do it. I hate cold. Stereotype number 5. Russian people are crazy. Русские люди сумасшедшие. Otherwise, why would we wear шапка all the time, keep bears at home, and love Putin?
Есть кто дома? Добро пожаловать к нам в гости!
So first, you will not see many people wearing шапка nowadays, and of course, we don't wear them during summers. And yes, we have summers in Russia. It's not always a winter time. As for bears, no, we don't keep them as our pets. Except for some people.
Доброе утро, Стёпа!
Здравствуй, маленький. Ты наш сладкий Стёпочка. Пойдем, да? Пойдем, мой хороший. Ты мой красотуля, сейчас тебя будем расчесывать. Ты мой сладкий.
Putin. If you are Russian, you have to love Putin. And people don't even care when you tell them that you are not really from Russia, but you're from another post-Soviet country, like Kazakhstan or Ukraine or Uzbekistan. If you say that you are Russian, you have to love Putin. So now, guys, I will tell you honestly what I think about Putin. And the last stereotype is that Russians don't speak English. Русские не говорят по-английски.
Let me speak from my heart in English.
It is somewhat true. If you go to Russia, you will notice that the older generation don't speak English at all, because at their time they used to study and learn German at school.
Карандаш!
A pencil?
Yes. Стол?
A table?
Yes. Девушка?
Чувиха?
Да нет. По-английски. Ну? Girl.
Oh, yes, yes, girl.
Yes, yes.
While the younger generation is obliged to learn English at school and more people understand that English language is very important. But it also depends on the region. If you go to a big city like Moscow, you will have more chances to find somebody who speaks a decent English. But if you go to a smaller city, you will have some language difficulties. So before going to Russia, learn at least some basic Russian phrases. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye, пока-пока.
До свидания.